Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2016 Volkswagen Passat SE, stock number E1890P. Only 27,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean Auto Tech history report, black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, seats 5. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull-a tab on either side allows the split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 27. Cruise control, along with adaptive cruise control. Can set the distance, how far you want to follow. Will automatically slow you down. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's also Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. And moonroof control overhead. Under the hood, this Passat has a 1.8 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 25 miles to the gallon and a city average of 36 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Passat, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.